Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I am Celeter aka Joe, and today I am back with another video. In this video, you're going to join me in my kitchen where I will be preparing a fruit smoothie. It is that time of the year where we drink a lot of cold drink uh, because it's summer. And as for me, I don't like to eat a lot in the summer, so I drink a lot. And as such, today I am going to make a smoothie, and I am here to share my recipe with you. So stay tuned. So guys, as I said, I will be making a frozen fruit smoothie today. So I'm going to show you what I am using as ingredient. And first I have this frozen fruit mix, right? And it consists of bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. I love bananas, so yes, that's why I picked out this one. And I like blueberries in my smoothie. So yes, this is what we have right here. You can have a look at it, right? And next on the list, I have some almond milk. For those of us who are lactose intolerant, you can use almond milk. But if you're not lactose intolerant, you can use any milk that you desire. You can use other milk, soy milk, regular milk, or whatever. And I am also adding to my smoothie a vanilla yogurt, right? And I prefer to use this type because it's just for personal use, so you don't have to scoop out, put back, or anything. You just use dispose. And I already poured out 1 cup of my mixed fruits. So let's begin. The first thing that I am going to start with, I'm going to pour out a cup of this almond milk, and I'm just opening, right? So just a cup. It depends on how much you're making and the consistency that you need. So I poured out what looks like 1 cup. I think that's not enough, yeah. Right, that's 1 cup. And then to my almond milk, I am going to add my frozen fruit, which I already measured, and it's a cup, right? So I pour this in, and I can't wait to enjoy this goodness because I know it's gonna be delicious. I am also going to add my yogurt. Adding your yogurt will allow your smoothie to be much more creamy, and yogurt, you will get calcium from it also. And one thing, good thing about banana, adding it to your fruit smoothie will give you potassium. And banana always good for smoothie because it just give it that little kick and that little taste, especially if you don't really like, some of the fruits that you're using. But it's good to consume fruits, and one of the best way to me to consume it is through smoothie. So guys, I'm about to get into that blending moment. So I'm using my blender to do this, and in the meantime I will just go ahead. So yeah, that's what I have to say about that part. And as for how long you blend, you can do this 20 to 30 seconds. It all depends on the consistency that you want and how smooth you want your smoothie to be. But for me, I really like it really smooth, so I will go beyond, like 20 seconds or 30 seconds just to ensure that it is really smooth. And that's just for me. Also guys, for those of us who have kids, And this is what it looks like, guys, when you're finished. I'm pouring my smoothie, and I make exactly 1 glass. This is it, and I'm about to taste it right now. But as I was saying, for those who have children and they want to have a lot of popsicle in this season, what you can do is purchase the popsicle mold and pour the smoothie into it, freeze it, and give it to them. I'm sure they will enjoy it, and that is also good for them because they're consuming fruits. And you know, for kids sometimes they're not so much into their fruits, so this is also another way for them to consume more fruits, especially in the summer climate where they have a desire for sweet drink. So this is just another way that you can, you know, create, make, prepare your smoothie and use it. For me, I just make a glass when I need it, and I'm about to taste it and tell you how it tastes. And for sure, I know I'm gonna enjoy this already. So let's go. Guys, if you're preparing this for someone, what you can also do, you can garnish your glass for presentation purpose, right? You can garnish your glass with the same frozen fruit, but what you would have to do, you would have to defrost that amount that you're going to use beforehand, right? And you don't want it to be saggy or anything, so you want to do it within a certain time frame. And then you just garnish your glass, add a straw to it, and present it to your guests. So now I am about to taste my smoothie and tell you how it tastes. So give me a second. This is not my first time having it, but for your purpose, it tastes really good. And the good thing about frozen fruits, it gives you that slushy taste when you're having your smoothie, and you do not have to add ice to your smoothie because ice tends to melt and bring a little more water also into your smoothie. So if you don't like it that way, get the frozen fruit, or you can buy your fresh fruits, cut them up, put them in your bags and freeze them, then take them and you go. But this is really good. I'll take another sip, and I'm inviting you over to our glass. And also, Simone, I saw you in the comments saying you want to see, you can't wait rather to see what I will do in the kitchen. This is just the beginning of things, so stay tuned for great things. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And please comment. Please comment and comment and comment, guys. Interact with my channel. So because this is another way that the YouTube algorithm find us, push our channel out there. So please comment. Invite your friends. Like, again, as I say, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes, and as I heard one tuber said, share it like you share food, share it like you share food. Invite someone. There's a lot to learn, there's a lot to glean from. We don't know everything, and as we grow older, we are only becoming wiser, and we become wiser through education. So I'm sure there is something on my channel for someone out there. So share with your friends and your family. Invite them in to learn from me. And please do not forget to comment anything that you would like to see in this channel, and we will challenge them together. Peace out. I'm gonna finish my smoothie.